Good morning. Uh, Today we will go to criminal side sensational judgment which required to be on our dairy permanently to answer the needy client's demand. Number one, while deciding issue whether the accused is liable to be awarded death sentence, it was held that despite the observation of the High Court that the accused seems to be a hardened criminal, but unfortunately the prosecution not led any iota of evidence to prove that the accused was hardened criminal. Therefore, the Supreme Court has said that the prior history and criminal antecedents of the appellant were not relevant in awarding sentence. Despite they say that there is absolutely no material, therefore the sentence was altered to death sentence to imprisonment for life. That is case M.A. Anthony alias Antappan versus State of Kerala 2018 4 crimes 515. Then when there is dispute between the parties, family disputes, if parties are amicably settling their dispute, then praying for compound, the High Court may allow that. That was another decision. In Bipin Kumar versus State of Bihar 2018 4 crimes 542 Supreme Court. Therein they said, in the interest of restoring peace in the society, the offences may be allowed for compounding. Then the question arises, on the basis of FIR, suppose if they say that they want to quash the FIR, the court's duty is not to give any observation about any of the finding in the FIR, the allegations. Therefore, they say that the court must be aware that their observation may not be influence prosecution agency to proceed the investigation. This case was Josine Anthony versus Barafwala Cold Storage AR 2018 4 crimes 526 Supreme Court. Then what was the reverse burden? The term was used by the Supreme Court. They say when the question arose that whether the investigating officer as well as the first informant are one and the same, whether that will prejudice the entire investigation was the question before the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court has said it depends upon the each circumstances, and the accused has to demonstrate a prejudice under what circumstances this process of investigating officers lodging FIR is affecting his fate. This was Mohanlal versus State of Punjab 2018-8 Supreme Court 1618. Then in case of victim's right, the Supreme Court has said that the victim being at the receiving end, right from the registering FIR and investigation trial, he should be given all necessary opportunity for defending the case. Therefore, not only monetary compensation under section 57A, there also the evidence should be in camera proceedings. And plea bargaining chapter 21A and section 372 of the CRPC should be taken into consideration while allowing the claim of the victim. This was the judgment in Mallikarjunan Kodagali, deceased, dead, represented by his legal representative, State of Karnataka, 2018 4, Crimes 194. All these cases will help you. Kindly take note of all these judgment. Kindly go through the judgment. Keep the copy of the judgment with your diary, or at least note down in your packet diary these citations with the caption of headlines. Much obliged.